Today we make like paper frog like this. This is paper frog. You see, this is paper frog. Now let's make. This is paper. Cut like this and fold this way and this way and cut. See? This is a cord. Cord. Half of this is a cubic. Like this. And fold this line and fold this line. Fold this line and fold this line and open and fold again and fold this line. This is leg, like this, and this side open and fold this line and make like a star. This way. Okay? Like this. Back, leg, and fold this way. Fold this way. Again, same way, fold like this, like this. This is leg. This is back, and fold this way, and fold this way and fold this way. Okay, and insert like this. Insert this part. Insert. Okay. Back completed. And leg, fold this way, fold this way, front leg, fold this way, again this way, again fold this way, fold this way, fold this way, fold this way. Yes, done. Okay.